Lai Ngut ki MLA ke Kongres kentup ya Ngut ki Basha suspend hakam Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kila lek Pynïasoh ya lade sha ka seng National People's Party NPP ha ke janmet ngin kong. Kini kila Ngut ki deu MLA ke Mauhati ba Charles Mangar, MLA ke Nongstoin ba Gabriel Walang, baru MLA ke Umsning Dr. Celestine Dingdo. Ya kini kila Ngut la prens ngobha da National President ke NPP bat menteri rang ba ke jela konat ke sangma ha ke jingye don lang ki nong yalam ke parti ha ke jingye lang ke balong ha office traikam ke NPP ha Shillong. Ke Kongres ke Badan Sangut ke MLA hadin ke jing no kum UMLA ke Kambegre Seleng Sangma ubala job ya ke election MP Lok Sabha Natura kalak don menta setang uwe MLA hapo ke ying dorbar thau ain ke jila. Unde MLA basa marwe ha ke Kongres udai uba Roni Willingdo uba Mikmat ya ke Miliam constituency. Kini kila Ngut ke MLA kila lek IT ru ya ke Siti Sha ulampang hing dorba thau ain ke jela Thomas Sangma kapa penpau ya ke jinglik yesnok ti lang no bat ke NPP. Da kene ke jingwan yesok kini kila Ngut ke MLA ke NPP kala kenjo ya number life away ha ke jingdon MLA hapo ke ying dorba thau ain ke jela. Kini kila Ngut ke MLA kila a ya ke jingkren ban pen I ya la ki jong kinya halor kene ke jinglik Pynïasoh jongki Sha ke NPP.
Please, Charles.
I'll give the floor.
Yes, sir. Now. I request Dr. Khalki, Bani Saswakader. So thank you. Kindly be seated.
Ni dan hane ban syukri. Ni gran sipan ke jingit jadi. Boleh buat sahun di jadi. Lada udon hak National People's Party. Pinang menginjak penyusup. Ini dia kita. Banganut batong hak di sini. 4 dalu MLA mau hati konstitusi. Ubat dalah dehi hak history jaga mau hati. Ulai dalah dehi karbi yang nolong asin dan dipenai berada namun lagi pai palahon. Di tinggal jonga di National People's Party. Serta popular. Ini jalan tapi kena kerana ini sih nanti semua. Namun dah kecil pun jonga mereka ada konsensus. Kadang kau ini bijak om, bijak itu kan. Agak selong jonga menteri bonding sama dia. Don't way run ba abong. Lalu si post nem. Niyo di sama dia. Don't priam dan eriong militi siyo. Teng ni glad ba tayo yung day. Lalu si snam wan priam ikan mausa. Kaya ikaw mga batong hari ni kasi ito lang pa. Paglan ko. Ikikam iba ka NPP ka. Jadi nak kata daw ng yung manamta ka konsensi ka jongaru ang ito. Bangadon ke jingkerman, kini ke jingjan jungi ke NPP kalau ke jingkerku, nak kemenang. Mauhati constituency was the one of the backward constituency in Rimhur district and also in the state as a whole.
On the other side of Congress, but today they have becoming one and joining. They are still far now, but they will join together and someday. Because of men, kacimwan ni, kada ina buka di berkat. Kami pengawan hari ini nak berkat lagi. Yang ia di sini ada berapa? Kan kami di sini kita dok. Kan kami di sini ke kamu kazam kami. Nasmo lengai lagi kumu lagi. bangan su shong hangre bangan su ni ngan su ai ya kadau bangan dei opposition namla balai ye na punta vai ba na soba kalau kapok la banta sama kolong tok no ka kani kata kadau ko kong sam no ai ko kibri ben ai mo bring kran ya ka kejinuan na cuma nasional andai hawa ka no ko konsumsi pa don kam ya ka roi pa don kam dei ya so Bakari ka jidot dengan nganiskan ni don lang ni siam chief minister deputy chief sa arlo nganiskan pa jiwan ka jua hande yang hande ka kanton klan bab nganala ba ai ka chief secretary ba khamha ya ka nostan ba sisi ba ya ka ya district was ka sili ko ko wi ngawana ni ni tong pagawat marway ni don lupa ka meeting ka ba news pa ko tiligar media shop ni forkhat na hapan de jindet tu na mengalami yaki bermanfaat dengan sini mempiailat mengenang mengenai sesuatu. Bab ketika sor dapat makihi kita sekarang mengenang dalam sebuah hamil mentah.
I choose to keep silent. And when I look here in the first row, 90% are ex-congressmen. Actually, there is nothing new between us here. It is a journey that we all take, and we decide to go right or left when we see the journey to the right is less beneficial to the people who represent. Situation demands that we should take the left road. This is the situation that we three decided to take. It is not that this right side, the road on the right is totally bad or has gone wrong. No, that road is still there. But for the benefit of the people who have elected us to bring changes and development that we also want to show, we have decided to take the road on the left. Kita kasih ke orang kuno, ya nanti mi anti. Ya nanti mi hati. You take any road, but take the road that gives the best benefit to the people. No hatred to anyone. But on a personal level, I appreciate the Honorable President of the National People's Party, the National President, who is also the Chief Minister. It is not easy for us to say, I'm leaving my parent party from which I was elected and to join another party. But the good commitment and the faith that we have between the Chief Minister and between us, with the hope that that agreement and commitment that we have will bring changes in our constituency, that paves the way for all things that is happening now. I always dream good for my constituency. I always dream of good things for the state. And maybe today, through this government and through the National People's Party, we can make that dream come true.